Hello guys, we made a huge update of the SpeedFlow companion text. As you will see, this is much better and cleaner. So now you have the type of the object with the name of the object. If I add a text, I will have a text, etc, etc. If I have a light, I will have a light, a curve, etc, etc. So, if I select my object, I have the type, the name. If I move it, I will have the location. Like this, you will be able to see if your object is at the center or moved, etc, etc. If I add a rotation, I will have a rotation, a scale, etc. I can press Alt G, Alt R, Alt S, and I will have this. As you can see, the text is smart and will not bother you if you don't have anything activated. And for example, if I activate the auto smooth, I will have the auto smooth. I will be able to change the angle. And if I have an n-gon, I will remove this one. I will have n-gon with the number of n-gon, like this. You will see it in object and edit mode, and like this you will know if your object have n-gons, and you will be able to, with a companion, select n-gons and clean it, clean face, not like this, but yep, like this, connect. And now, no n-gon, I will be able to remove and it's clean, like this. On the modifiers, if you add modifiers, you will have this kind of result. So now you have the type of the modifier, the name of the modifier. If I edit the name, I will have the name. You have the options with segments, profile, the mode, weight mode, angle, as you can see that change, and the mode from SpeedFlow, subdiv or no subdiv. For example, I'm here in no subdiv, I press E, I will be in subdiv mode with other settings, like this, and everything is updated directly. If I press G, I will have my option loop slide, as you can see. You have also the only vertex with K, like this, and as you can see, this is automatic, and you will not see the option if it's disabled. And you have a clamp, only vertex, the angle, if you are here, etc, etc. If you add several modifiers, like this, I have the array, I will edit the array directly. As you can see, this is nice. You can change the type, as you can see, constant, relative. You can choose the axis, and I did not add the axis, I should have added the axis, I will add it. You will have the axis, etc, etc. In fact, you have option 2, for example, if I have the merge, here, merge, first, last, I can add an object like this. You will see you have your object. If you have your option enabled and you don't have added an object, you will have this result, no object. You will select everything, you will have the object. You can of course do this, and you will have all the options. Just have to add X, Y, Z axis. So, as you can see, this is better, and one big improvement is now you, depending of the size of the text, you will not have overlap of the text. I will go in the user preferences, I will press companion, tap companion. You will have the option of the text, you can hide it here, or hide it here, depending of what you want. You can of course change the colors, you can change the size, etc, etc. So if I change the max size that will change the size. And as you can see, this is now this is perfect. I don't have overlapping, and this is nice. You have the text min size. It's for if you do this, your text will be smaller, and like this you will be able to have something correct, and it's up to you to set up on how you want. You have the space between the text, as you can see. This is nice. You have the possibility to change the position in X, Y, add shadows, play with the shadows, up, etc, etc. So now this is much perfect, way better. Sorry for my English. And I added a lot of modifiers, so if you add, for example, an array, you will have the options. We already see this, bevel, booleans. As you can see, my booleans is red because I don't have object, and now it's red because I don't have object. I just have to select an object, and I will have the object. You have the solver, and after the overlapping overlap threshold. Yep. So I will remove this. You have the build, the decimate. Depending on what you will select, you will have the options. You can activate all boundary, as you can see. So the edge split, sharp edge or not, etc, etc. Multi-resolution, you can deactivate this, you can choose simple, you can add subdivisions, level, render, sculpt, etc, etc, etc. You have this for the skin. You will activate the options, like this, smooth shading or not. Same for the mirror, you will have the axis selected, like this. Clipping, vertex group or not, merge limit, here. You can add a mirror object, like this, you will have the mirror. So as you can see, this is really nice. I added all of this and some of this, like the mesh deform. I don't have object, I have to select an object, like the shrink warp. I will add all of the rest of modifiers, but you can see this is nice. If you add some objects, you will have, for example, a lamp with his name, EMI, the type, EMI. If you go in the lamp, you will have point, the size, I have to edit here for this one. And I think this is old light. The area is the next, but all of these are old and don't update. Okay, so on the area you will have a rectangle with the different options, square, cast shadow, etc, etc. I will have to see to add the strength. That can be useful for the strength. If you don't know, you can edit the strength here and the size here with W. This is really useful. So I added text. I will Shift C, Alt J, and you have the preview U and the render U. You have the fill. If you add an offset, you will have the offset. If you add an extrude, you will have the extrude. Same for the depth. We made the offset to 0, like this. The resolutions. If you select a tapper object, bevel, etc, etc. Bevel object, tapper object. As you can see, this is nice. I will add a curve. Same for the curve. You will have also the mode, fill mode. No, this one. Like this. If you add a camera, poof, you will have the camera, the rotation, Alt R, RX90. Okay. The lens here, you can add a focus, not the camera but something else. You can see the radius if you add a radius, you will not see it if it's at 0. You can, if you don't have this, you will have the distance, or the focus, etc, etc. So, what did I forget? No, I think I'm okay. So, if I come back here, I have some tests. Same for metaballs, particle systems. For the armature, you will have the armature, the name. If you go in don't remember. Pose mode, you will see the selected bonds. Same for the edit mode, like this. Yes, for the lattice, I forgot the lattice. You have the option of the lattice. U, V, V. You will see if you change the mode, B-spline, ROM, cardinal, linear, etc., etc. You will have this here. If you have, for example, a modifier, lattice, where is it? You will have the option, you can select a lattice. If it's the good one, I will have my object deformed. It's not the good one, I will select the other. Yes, and that's work. Hop. I have to make medium. It's normal, because I did not move this. So that's it. I hope I did not forget anything. I will add all I can on the modifiers. I will add all I can also in the object, if I can, on some object, to have some options. If you have some ideas, don't hesitate to tell me that. And I think I'm okay. You can do this, and as you can see, this is nice. You directly see if your object have some options, like this. And I will add the axis on the array, and that will be nice. Okay, so bye bye.